Understanding Soft Focus, a guide to clarity and blur in language. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that's as poetic as it is practical: soft focus. Whether you're a photographer, a movie buff, or just someone who appreciates the subtlety of English expressions, understanding what soft focus means will add another layer to your linguistic knowledge. So, let's get to the heart of this picturesque phrase and explore its meaning and usage together. The term soft focus is originally a photographic concept, where the image is deliberately blurred to create a dreamy, romantic aesthetic. However, in everyday language, soft focus can also mean concentrating on something in a relaxed, gentle, or indistinct way. It's like looking at the big picture without getting caught up in the sharp details. When we say someone has a soft focus on an issue, we're suggesting they're taking a step back, allowing for a broader, perhaps more compassionate or understanding viewpoint. This can be a beneficial approach when dealing with complex emotional or social matters. Now that we know what soft focus means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. Artistically, the photographer used a soft focus to give the portrait an ethereal quality. Metaphorically, in our discussion, let's maintain a soft focus on the overall goals rather than nitpicking the details. Personally, he has a soft focus outlook on life, which makes him very calm and resilient in stressful situations. By observing the phrase in different contexts, we can appreciate its versatility and how it conveys a particular mood or approach. It's important to contrast soft focus with hard focus to fully grasp its meaning. A hard focus is about sharpness and detail, emphasizing precision and clarity. On the other hand, soft focus embraces a certain haziness, suggesting a more forgiving and less detailed perspective. Comparison: while hard focus zooms in on the specifics, soft focus widens the lens to take in the overall atmosphere or impression. This comparison not only helps to clarify the meaning of soft focus, but also enriches our understanding of when and how to use it. Soft focus can be symbolic, carrying connotations beyond the literal meaning. It can symbolize a state of mind that is open, receptive, and not bogged down by the minute aspects of a situation. It might represent a philosophical approach to life, where one focuses on the general feelings and experiences rather than the specifics. Thank you for watching. I hope this exploration of soft focus has brought some clarity to this beautiful phrase. May you apply a soft focus to not just your viewfinder but to life's complexities, appreciating the grand design without getting lost in the minutiae. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.